Good afternoon, Steve. Ran over to the Ford store and picked this truck up so we could get a closer look at it here for you. This is the 2019 High Country, of course. Zoom in here. A lot of tread life left there. A little bit of rust there. You're gonna have, this has not been cleaned up yet, so let's take that into consideration as we're checking it out. Factory steps. Front windows are tinted to match the backs. Have some miniature co-workers here. Heated seats, ventilated seats as well. There is no sunroof. Oh, I did want to show you this. It does have some paint worn off here just from somebody's leg rubbing as they get in. It does have the all-weather floor mats in there. We've got 19,526 on the odometer. Non-smoker. Smells like leather in here. Cooled seats, heated seats. Heated steering wheel. Probably lots of cool things on here I'm not even aware of because I don't know a lot about GM, but I'll try and zoom in here so you can kind of see what's on here. And again, this will be cleaner. Does have navigation. All right, top of the back seat here. Still got the factory carpet mats. These are the all-weather floor mats here. A nice cargo space for storage underneath. Scratches on the back here. Some of these will lessen. I don't think they're going to come out 100%, but they should look a little better after it goes through detail and gets buffed on. It does have fifth wheel gooseneck prep, spray and liner. Obviously the step bumper, I think that's a great feature. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll talk to you soon. 419-591-8115. Thanks.